Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to change the cPanel password. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe, how to unmute it. So first of all, you have to sign in into your website cPanel. So give your username and password, then click on login. Once you sign in into your cPanel, click on your username and click on password and security. So now here you have to put your older password and then type here your new password. I'm clicking on password generator and then copy this password from here and note this password to a safe place. So I'm going to, and then check this. I have copied this password in a safe place. Then click on use password and now click on change your password now. And now I'm going to enter my new password here and log in. So this is how we can change our cPanel password. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe, how to unmute it. Thank you for watching.